Unlock incredible savings on your next hotel stay by mastering the art of using Agoda Cash. First, open the Agoda app on your mobile device if you're not already logged in. Make sure you sign into your account to access your Agoda Cash. Next, use the search bar at the top of the screen to input your desired destination, check-in and check-out dates, and the number of guests. Browse through the search results and select the hotel that best suits your needs and budget. Once you've chosen your hotel, tap on it to view its details, scroll down and select your preferred room type and the number of rooms you need. Now, you'll be on the booking summary page. This is where the magic happens. Look for the payment details or price details section. It might be slightly different depending on your app version. Within this section, you should see an option to apply Agoda Cash or use Agoda Cash. Tap on it. A new window will appear showing your available Agoda Cash balance. Enter the amount of Agoda Cash you wish to apply to your booking. You can use all of it or just a portion. Once you've entered the amount, tap Apply or Confirm. You'll see the total price of your booking instantly updated to reflect the discount from your Agoda Cash. Proceed with the rest of your booking by entering any remaining payment details and confirm your reservation. Congratulations! You've just maximized your savings with Agoda Cash. Enjoy your discounted stay.